Hi, Wes Scott from Kane and Scott. Today we're going to talk about what is a Chapter 7 bankruptcy anyway. Back in the olden days, if your creditors found out that you were knee deep in debt, and if they were worried that you could not pay your bills, one of the things that would happen is creditors would make a run on your assets, right? If you have 10 creditors and two of them find out that you're going down, they're going to be all over your assets. So two creditors get everything and eight creditors get nothing. And you are left out on the street. The whole idea of bankruptcy is to create an orderly process to give the debtor relief from their creditors and to give creditors an orderly distribution of the assets, not this run on the assets by a few creditors. So when a Chapter 7 bankruptcy is filed, there's sort of a timeout for the debtor and the creditors. That everybody just sit back and let one person, a trustee, determine whether the debtor has non-exempt assets you're going to lose in Chapter 7 bankruptcy. And by the way, the vast majority of bankruptcy cases filed that are Chapter 7 have no non-exempt assets. They don't, the debtor doesn't lose anything. So Chapter 7 bankruptcy is where you do not make payments back to your creditors. The focus is on your assets, and in the vast majority of cases, you lose no assets. In the relatively few cases where you would lose assets, the assets will be known to you. It will not be a surprise. And usually it's more on the modest side. If you have $100,000 in credit card debt and you have $5,000 in non-exempt assets, that's a pretty good deal. When the time's right, when you are ready, reach out to Kane and Scott. You're going to be so thankful you did. Have a good day.